Hello, I'm Sakib, a project manager at FabTechSol. So I will present you a new project that we have completed, serving platform. Basically, this project is to generate different types of reports, more particularly relative to the construction field in civil engineering. So we are generating the fields, we're generating the reports using AI so that a person can easily generate the report and he can also edit the report manually as well. So let me go through. We are covering different types of reports. Let me go through one by one of the project, one by one, or all the pages of the project. So if I go here, you can see here, I can see all the projects that has been listed down here. If I want to add a new project, I click on that. I will enter the details of each project like project name, property address, assigned surveyor, client name, and description. Now this assigned surveyor is a team that we are managing, okay, and these are basically a surveyor that survey a particular property or particular construction site. Okay, so we are building a project that number of types of projects like property valuation, bank monitoring, PPM survey, technical survey, home buy report. These are the types of project. So now this property valuation is because it is about the report that how we can calculate the valuation of a particular property. Okay, how we can evaluate a value of a particular property. This bank monitoring is that how much fund we need, okay, to build up a particular property, and there is also a PPM survey, technical survey. This is a maintenance report. So these are different types of report that are relevant to the constructions, okay, and survey. And I can add those all the details, upload, add the description, upload the files that is relevant to particular project, and I can create a project. Now we already have a number of projects you can see here. So if I'm gonna go here, this is a detail of the project. I can see, you can see here the progress as well. And if I come here, all the file uploads will listed down here, all the valuation data. If I want to add any valuation property, I can click on that, fill up all the details, and I can add the property. Okay, so if here is the reports, I can generate a new one, clicking on here, report name, instructions, and generate with AI. Okay, so this is a test report. If I'm gonna view this one, you can see here, this is a bank monitoring report. All the content of the report has been listed down here. You can see here, introduction, site, construction progress, summary, and I can also edit. This is generated based on the content of this project through AI. AI has generated this template. I can also manually edit this particular template. Okay, these are all the options that I can use to manually edit this. You consider a report. So this is an AI assistant. Okay, what this does is that I can chat through here. Okay, and it can give me information about a particular section of each report. If I want to report remove a particular section from this report, I can do this manually. If I want to generate a particular content, I can generate here, copy here, and I can paste here. Okay, so this is what all about is. Okay, after generating report, I can say editing the report. I can save that report, or I can export as PDF. Okay, so this is a printing format how it look like. Okay, so I can decide that, and I can export that, or I can export that in doc as well. So you can see here, doc file has been downloaded. You can see here. So this is a very powerful tool of generating different types of report. using manually using AI and also using the chat. This chat is completely based on this particular report. So if I go back, these are all the reports library that has been generated, and I can view them and I can also export them. This PDF editor that we already talked about, valuation, report, integrations. So these are a couple of indications that we have done third-party APIs to get the property data and give them to the AI. Okay, if I go here, administration. So these are all the user management. If I want to deactivate any user, I can deactivate from here. If I want to add a new user, I can also add from here. And I can define his role, either he's admin, surveyor, junior surveyor, report writer, anything else. I can add the user, and here I can edit those settings. This show me the stats how many users are there. There is a setting for the admin, profile, security, and notification you can see here. Okay, so the main this is a dashboard that show how many active projects are there. Okay, recent projects and all the recent activity that has been highlighted here. So the main feature of this project is to create a report, different types of reports based on the data using AI plus a chatbot to edit or modify the report. Thank you so much.